What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got this one before things get absolutely crazy with this particular asset. We're looking at Avax today, and this is actually going to be a pretty quick take on it. So if you could, check the links down below, get into the Discord. Also, please like, subscribe, and anyways, do all that. Let's get into it. We are checking out Avax. Let's make these a little smaller so we can see what we're doing. So Avax right now, I was looking at it on my other chart. It looks phenomenal. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. So here's a clean chart showing you how I end up getting my support resistance levels. We go into the weekly for our major support and resistance levels, so we can actually see where this asset could be going. Finding your major support and resistances, it's all about where these weekly candles are closing. That's going to indicate very strong buy and sell signals or support and resistance levels. And then when you come down to the daily, they're a little less significant. But you can see right now, Avax has been doing extremely well. Extremely well. So you can see we broke out of this. The measured move out of this descending wedge is actually to get up here 158% to the upside at $30.69. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Now, when we come down to the daily, we're going to get a little bit more information. So you can see we've been trending upward pretty well. Here is one of the things. You have this upward trending right here. Nice little supply line, holding it. You also had this right here to make this rising wedge pattern, which you then broke out of. Broke out to the upside. Now the thing about rising wedges, you don't take the entire flag move, you only take the wide portion. That is the big difference between a rising wedge and a rising channel. Rising channels are technically bull flags, but rising wedges, you get a lot smaller move. You can see we hit the measured move, we pulled back, we are currently back testing it. Now, we do have resistance right here, and we do have support right down here, meaning candle low close right here. So we're actually going to make a little ray. So daily candle closes right there, poses a nice little short-term support, as well as right here. Support, resistance, short term. You could even raise this up to here. Just short term support and resistance levels. Things that you gotta look out for in your trades. But let's go down to the 4 hour. So this is actually what I was looking at that got kind of ridiculous to me. So if you were looking at this as just a week to week, day by day type thing, you'd be looking at the 4 hour time frame. So you would see this level of resistance right here. Actually, you probably would bring it down a little lower, but right here, level of resistance. You're good. You back test, holding out support. Good right there. And now you got this level of downward resistance. So technically speaking, where we stopped, we have 3 levels of support. This is actually a huge deal because, I mean, you wouldn't expect it to fall below that. At least I personally wouldn't expect it to fall below that. Anyways, now you actually have a bull flag set up. So short term, we could be looking at a nice move out of Avax. Very nice move back above resistance and well on its way to $28.14. But in the short term, if you're looking to trade this, you are actually at a prime position for 19.42% upside. Your stop loss, you're at a great spot for a stop loss, right below where you just fell, 19.46. This is actually one of the better trade setups I've seen as of lately. Another one is on FTM, but I'll make a video about that later. But here you go. Hopefully this helps you out with your trades. Hopefully this helps you out in the future. Never take this as financial advice. This is just my vision on the chart and what I would be doing. Well, actually, I am doing it. I'm trading this. So what I'm doing on the trades. Anyways, if this does help you out, hit the like, hit the subscribe, follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, do it all. Other than that, I'm out of here. You have a great rest of your day, evening, or morning. Catch you next time.